Hey guys, so in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to get this road. So, you may know that the road spline as it is right now is not working. At least if you're using the newest version of the mod kit, you will know that it doesn't work. As you can see, it just will not work. So, I'm going to show you today how to, I don't actually know how to fix the spline. Trying to figure that out. If I can figure it out, I will make an update video on this. But I'm going to just show you how to make a simple road like that. And it's pretty easy. So you just want to type in road. You want to scroll down a little bit. Also, mobile test. This always confused me on what this was. I don't know why this was in the game. Oh god, the shaders compiler. Oh god, no, no. Not the shaders compiler. Oh no! So, what you want to do is you want to go over here, scroll down until you find this. It's called road. Literally, it's just a road static mesh. You want to grab it, drag it in, and you want to rotate it 90 degrees so it's flat on the floor. And there you go. You can just pull it above the ground a little bit, and you can drag it back, like that. And you're just gonna do Control C, Control V, and you just want to drag it. And I know this is not the most efficient way, but unfortunately this is the way that we have to do it right now, because in the newest version of the mod kit, they did something and half the stuff in the mod kit broke, like the elevator from one of the old alphas and stuff. It just doesn't work anymore. So we have to fix that ourselves. We have to fix that ourselves. And I don't know how to fix that. And probably most of you don't know how to fix that, but there are people that are better at the mod kit than me, so I'm sure there's somebody that knows how to fix it. But yeah, it's pretty simple how to make a road. Now, you don't have to keep copying and pasting one. You can hold down Shift, and you can click multiple objects at once. So you can copy and paste 3 of them at a time. And you can select the other 6, or other 3. Then you can paste 6. And then you get the point. It can go on pretty much forever. So that just kind of makes it a little bit faster to build some road out. But yeah, it's pretty easy and it's pretty simple. Just gonna get rid of that real quick. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Yeah, that's really it. So if you want to see some more tutorials, also, road border. So if you want to put in a road border, you just grab road border left. You want to rotate that. You can put it however you want. I personally prefer to put it like this a little bit. I think it looks better, honestly. And this is just my opinion, but I think it looks better if you do it like this. Yeah, I like it better if it's like this. I don't know why, just my opinion. I feel like that looks better than it popping out of the ground a lot, like this high. I just feel like that looks better. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can copy and paste that down, and also there's also one for the right side too. Yeah, that's pretty much all to it. And yeah, with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, break out that mod kit, and start modding.